Hello everyone. Today I'm going to explain project DNS Resolve Simulation ML Experiment Lab 6. DNS stands like Domain Name System. It is used to convert human reliable domain names like Google Forms, IP address, and it will like the main objective of this project is to understand how DNS works in internally and domain to IP addresses and mapping to connect the programming and it request goes to directly to the DNS resolver and resolves it if domain exists in the dataset or not. And it founds like if it found, it will return the corresponding IP addresses. And or otherwise it will return error like domain not found or IP address is not found. Simulation. I use it like use it to data structures like hash map, the dictionary, and we will also use pandas, numpys, and simple label encoder standards and everything and google.com like yahoo.com everything we will just examples and in features how many features will be there like simple and easy to understand simulation and fast lookup using effective and data structures error handling for invalid domains and error can be extended to support more domains. I will just explain code. This is the first pandas we are using here pandas and import libraries for data handling and classification and also decision tree classifier is used to for classifying tasks and also loads dataset into a data frames and it also prepares data for training model and next load datasets and df is equal to pd read is equal to csv and we want to take dataset as a CSV file only. We want to take only CSV dataset. Just load dataset data frames and prepares data to train model and it also splits data like X X label and Y label and it contains in X is in input and Y contains output and we want to train and it will split to like X train, X test, Y train, Y test, and train test. Like splits data set into a test and training set, and it like 80% is training and 20% is testing data. And train decision tree, it creates a decision tree model and learns patterns from data training and predict the output thing like predict the class labels for test data used to evaluate model performance and next first learn matrix calculates the predicting accuracy and shows how well model performs and like graphs and from scale and input three pot diagram will become like this and displays the structure of the decision tree and helps to understand decision rules or it will explain what IP addresses and it will explain to easy to understand the mail like links and IP addresses everything. Thank you.